And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. So, in this video, I want to show you guys how you can pre-qualify for the Bob's Furniture credit card. And the best thing about this one is you can pre-qualify for this credit, and they're going to report to the credit bureaus, and it's going to be without a hard inquiry. So, I'm on a streak right now of telling you guys about all of the different credit cards you all can apply for without a hard inquiry. So, if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you guys subscribe. My name is Rickita. I talk about different credit cards. I talk to you guys about real estate. I talk to you guys about different things on my channel. So make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you ever want me to make you like a special video, go ahead and put it down in the comments. Especially if you want me to like review a certain credit card. Or maybe I have so many different videos. I think I got like over 1,000 videos at this point. Maybe you want me to show you like a special video, a video in particular, then I can make sure I send that video to you all. Just put that comment down. Hey, Rickita, did you make a video about the maybe a Capital One credit card, the American Express credit card? Then go ahead and drop it down in the comments, and then I'll be sure to send that video to you all. Now, I've been so busy, you guys, doing things for my store. So I just opened a store because there's so many different things that I use, such as like my makeup, my eyelashes, and my workout things. I'm gonna have all of that in my store. A lot of people ask me, Rickita, what do you use? And a lot of stuff I was using, but I just wanted to make it better because I just seen so many things I could have made better. So I enhanced a lot of products, and I have it now on my store. So definitely check it out. And if you guys go ahead and check it out, let me know in the comments, and I can give you all a discount code too, where you guys can get that discount. Or you can go ahead and look on my link. I'll make sure I have discount codes for you all there. And my link is All Things Rickita. But let's get into this Bob Furniture. So you guys can pre-qualify without affecting your credit score. They have plans where you can put no money down. They have some no credit needed options, and then they have the buy now, pay over time option. So it's a lot of different things you can do. The reason I want to talk to you guys about this is because a lot of times people want these different credit cards, not only because they want to shop at Bob's Furniture, because they want them to report to the credit bureaus. And sometimes it's harder to get other credit cards. So they go with companies like Bob Furniture because they know they're going to report to the credit bureaus. And when these accounts are added to your credit reports, your credit score should really shoot up, especially if you don't have any credit cards at all. I always tell you guys, make sure you have at least 4 credit cards reporting if you want your credit score to continuously go up. So let's go ahead and check out some of their options. So you can click right on that link here. I'm going to have this link right in my website, All Things Rickita. We'll go over that next because it's over 35 different credit cards there that can pre-qualify you, just like this one. So yes, I'm excited about that. It's over 35 different credit cards that can pre-qualify you. So I'll go over that link with you guys next, and you'll see it down in the comments, All Things Rickita. But I'll go through them all with you so you all can see. So right now, we just passed Memorial Day. Look like they still have their Memorial Day sale, but they have different financing. So if you guys make a minimum purchase of $1,999, then you guys will have the option of paying that over 6 months. You guys have a no minimum 30-month payment plan also. Excuse me. You all also have if you spend at least $499, you have 12 months to pay it. And $249, you have 6 months to pay it. So that is really good for those people that's looking to finance. But if you want to try to see if you can pre-qualify, then you can go ahead and click right here on check now. Now I talked to you guys about the Tempur-Pedic credit card. With this one, they are with Wells Fargo, just like the Tempur-Pedic. So both of them are with Wells Fargo, but you'll be able to see if they can pre-approve you for these credit cards without that hard inquiry. So if you want to pre-qualify, go ahead and click here. The no credit needed option, you can apply right here, and then they have it here. But I will tell you guys to click on here to check now. And I did this in my last video where I went over all of this with you in the Tempur-Pedic one and all the other videos, but I'll still do it with you all now. So what you're going to want to do is you want to understand it's going to be without checking your credit score. Like, it's no hard inquiry, but if you accept it, you're going to get that hard inquiry. So you want to go ahead and fill out this form with your first and last name. They're asking for your full social security number. Some companies don't ask for your full social security number. Maybe they may just ask for like the last 4 digits. But this one is asking for your full social security number. You still should not get the hard inquiry unless you accept the offer. And they want you to put your date of birth in, put your address, but do not put a P.O. box in. They're not going to accept P.O. boxes. So don't put like PO Box 622581 Orlando. Don't do things like that because they're not going to allow it to go through. Let's see if they're going to reject it now too. While I'm here talking about. They didn't reject it, but they're saying that they want your a physical mailing address is required. So go ahead and put it's a regular address. You don't want to put a PO box; it just look bad anyway when you put a PO box on your application. You want to go ahead and put your city, state, and zip code in. Your net annual income. A lot of companies ask for your annual income, but they're asking for your net income. So that's something that's different. If you guys are married and you're living in Wisconsin, you can actually use your spouse's income. You can add that to your income here, your net income, and then they want to know your housing status. Like, are you own? Do you own? Do you rent? Or is there another situation? What's your monthly rent or your mortgage? And then they want to know your contact information, your email address, and your phone number. And after you do that, you just want to go ahead and click continue, and then they'll let you know if they can pre-qualify you. And if they can pre-qualify you, then I would say if you want to get that credit card, go ahead and get it. If you're getting this credit card just because you want to have more credit cards added onto your credit reports, then this would be a great one because I know that they'll most likely give you higher limits because it's a store card and not like a Visa or a MasterCard. Usually if you get like a Visa or a MasterCard, they won't give you higher limits. So with this one being a store card, they should be able to give you guys a higher limit. But let me show you guys these credit cards that can pre-qualify you. Like I told you, there's over 35 of them that can pre-qualify you, and it's without a hard inquiry. Now, for some reason, when I'm doing this on my computer, it's so slow. It's so slow, but hopefully later on it'll be better. That's the plan. Hopefully later on it will be better. Let's see if this link is going to be better than the other one I just had. But it's over 30 different credit cards. It's better if you guys were to use this on your mobile app. It works better, it's faster. I don't know why it's so slow when I'm using it on my computer. I know that I'm doing like a screen recording and they're also using my camera. So maybe all of that is stopping it from working faster, but I don't know. But if you guys go to my link, All Things Rickita, you'll see all of the different credit cards that I told you guys about. And with these different credit cards, they'll be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. You'll see where it says pre-qualify without a hard inquiry. Okay, it's starting to move a little bit. Y'all know y'all hear my little baby in the background. He having the time of his life, but I wanted to make sure I tell you all about these different videos. So we gotta ignore him for right now. He's like, no, don't ignore me. Okay, this computer is going slow, you guys. I don't think I'll be able to show you guys the actual, like all of the different credit accounts, but definitely go to my link, All Things Rickita. Probably you already seen it already, but anytime you want to see any additional credit cards, they're all going to be here and they all can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So definitely go ahead and check it out. But like I said, it's going slow on here. And hopefully you guys can get pre-qualified for that Bob's Furniture credit card. And then all the other credit cards that's on there, the Yamaha credit card, the Yoda credit card. See, that's for you to schedule an appointment. It's acting crazy, you all. But hope you guys can get approved. This Navy Federal, Apple, it's so many different credit cards you guys can pre-qualify for. But make sure you guys, when you're going to the website, use it on your phone. Go to All Things Rickita on your phone and use the mobile app. The mobile site to go ahead and look. I think because I'm trying to look at it and it's best for mobile, it's acting kind of funny. But definitely go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.